way, and I'll start with you, Mr. Livros. There's so much confusion about the implication and interpretation of the Supreme Court decision on the Rivers State crisis. Initially, the Court of Appeal had earlier ruled that the Fubara action violated Section 96 of the 1999 Constitution, which requires at least 1/3 of the Assembly members to form a quorum. What is the possible outcome of this dismissal of the appeal by Governor Fubara, filed by Governor Fubara?
Yeah, first and foremost, let's quickly set the record straight. The appeal was withdrawn by the Fubara's lawyer on the ground that it has become an academic exercise, being a 2024 budget. We are now in, which was passed in 2023. And so that money had been presumably spent, legal or otherwise. And now we're in 2025. There is another budget that was presented in the same manner. And that seems to be, you know, the issue that it should be on the top burner. The issue of a 2024 budget is passed, but that does not take away the meat or the pronouncement of the Court of Appeal as regards that case. So a withdrawal of the appeal does not invalidate the judgment of the Court of Appeal. Rather, on position, on matters such as that, what is subsisting is the position of the Court of Appeal. But the matter was actually withdrawn by the lawyer to Fubara, and not, you know, the Supreme Court hearing the matter on its merits.
Right to say events have overtaken the 2024 budget that was presented to a 4-member House of Assembly. Who will account for the unappropriated funds?
Yeah, that's the big question, because if the Court of Appeal, is subsisting judgment of the Court of Appeal, you know, has held that is not the procedure to be followed, considering the fact that even when you say, when the law makes provisions for defection, it is still the court that will declare seats vacant, and the court, you know, makes that pronouncement. It's just like when you say the penalty for murder is death, but you cannot say because you saw somebody killing another and that you just killed that person, that will mean taking the law into your hands or resorting to self-help. You will still have to bring that person before the court and ask the court, you know, to make a pronouncement on the allegations that have been proven. So it's the same way. Yeah, if members of the House of Assembly defect, we know that the penalty is them losing their seats. It is the court that will make that pronouncement, that will pronounce their seats vacant, and not in the mouth of anybody. So to that extent, that was where the Court of Appeal held that the presentation of that budget to 3 members, you know, was a joke taken too far. But since the money has been spent, it is now left for the courts or the parties or the State House of Assembly to take steps or to take, you know, a decision on that. It is no longer a matter within the jurisdiction of the court. The matter hasn't been withdrawn, and the Court of Appeal haven't made a pronouncement on it.